So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 8 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So in this session we are going to start highest common factor, that is HCF. So let us start with the definition. Already we have seen highest common factor in the common factors. उसमें हम लोग देखे थे, we have listed the all common factors, and in that common factors we have selected the greatest common factor, and that is nothing but that is highest common factor. So highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their all common factors. Okay, it is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. It is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD. And HCF can be for finding HCF can be found by using two methods. One method is prime factorization method, another is long division method. Long division method 6th class के textbook में नहीं है, but I will teach you. Okay, so let us start with one example by using prime factorization method. So HCF of 20, 28, 36 can also be found by prime factorization of these numbers. So let us find the prime factors of 20. So 20, first we will divide it by 2. So we'll get 10. Again we will divide it by 2. We'll get 5. Now stop. I told you in the previous class we can write one more step, 5, 1. So अगर लास्ट में प्राइम नंबर आ गया तो रुक सकते हो. Next number is 28. So 28 first you divide it by 2. So you will get 14. Again you divide it by 2. You will get 7. Now stop, because 7 is the prime number. Next number is 36. First you divide it by 2. You will get 18. Again divided by 2. You will get 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So divided by 3. Okay, so I would like to tell you that you can write one more step, but that is not necessary. ये वाला 1 तक लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर लास्ट में प्राइम नंबर आ जा रहा है तो वहाँ पे रुक सकते हो. Right, so this prime factorization is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we can write, see, this is the prime factorization. So 20 we can write 2 into 2 into 5, and 28 we can write 2 into 2 into 7. 36 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Right, now we have to find the common factors between these three. So what is the first one?
Sir, 2.
Right, this one. Okay, second, any other common factors is there?
Sir, again 2.
Yes, another 2. Right. So now 5, 7, 3 are not common in all the three numbers. So we'll stop here and we'll write that the common factors of 20, 28, 36 is 2 occurring 2 times. That is 2 into 2. So HCF will be, किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो, HCF will be 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. Equals to 4. जो common factor जो आया था उसको हम लोग लिखेंगे. So here we got two common factors, 2 and 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So we will see some more examples by using factorization method. So let us see the first one. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. So first what we will do, we will find the prime factors of 24. So 24 divided by 2. So you will get 12. Again divided by 2. 6. Again divided by 2. 3. Stop. And now 36. 36 you have to divide it by 2. You can tell me the answer. 18. Again divided by 2. 9. 3. Right. Okay, stop. So now 24 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 36 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find out the common factors. So what are
3?
First 3 hai. Okay, fine. I am marking the 3. Any other common factors? Okay, 2. Any other is left? Yes, another 2. Right. Okay, fine. Now common factors are 2, 2 and 3. So we have to multiply these common factors to get the HCF. So
Sir,
HCF,
4 into 3.
yes, 2 into 2 into 3 is 4 into 3, final answer is 12. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now we'll move toward the next question, 15, 25 and 30. So let us find the prime factors factorization of 15. So 15 only 2 is there, 3 into 5. Both are prime numbers. And next to 25 is also very small, 5 into 5.
20.
Now next is 30. 30 you have to divide it by 2 first. You will get
15.
15. Right. Again 15 you divide it by 3. You will get 5. Okay. So how will you write 15? 3 into 5. 25, 5 into 5. And 30, 2 into 3 into 5. Now find out the common factors in these three.
5.
Yes, only one common factor, 5. Others are not common. So common factor is only 5. So HCF is also 5. Okay, so now we are moving toward the next question, 8 and 12. So 8, we will find the prime factors. First you
4.
divide it by 2, 4. Again divided by 2, 2. Right. Now 12. 12 first you divide it by 2.
6.
You will get 6. Again divided by 2.
3.
3. Right. So prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. And prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now we...
Sir, 2 and 2.
Yes. 1, 2. This one. And this one. So prime common factors are 2 and 2. So HCF is 2 into 2. 4. Okay. So now we'll move toward the fourth bit, 12, 16 and 28. So 12 का देखो, 12 already किए हैं यहाँ पर है. So we'll write as it is. 16 find out कर लेते हैं. First you divide it by 2.
8.
8. Again divided by 2.
4.
4. Again divided by 2. 2. Right. Now next number is 28. So 28 divided by 2. 14. Right. Again divided by 2. 7. Stop. Okay. So we'll start with 12. 12 is already we did here. 2 into 2 into 3. And next is 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the last one is 28. 2 into 2 into 7. Now find out the common
2
factor.
and 2.
Yes.
2 and 2.
Yes. 2. एक 2 है. And another 2. तीनों में देखना है, दो में नहीं देखना है. ठीक है. So the common factors are 2 and 2 again. So HCF is 2 into 2, 4.
4.
So these are the 4 examples. Now we'll move towards, we are going to start exercise. So this is the first question, exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following. So total 10 bits hai. So we'll start with the first one, 18, 48. So first we will find the prime factorization of 18.
18.
So 18 divided by 2,
9.
9. Again
9.
divided by 2, 3.
3.
3. Okay,
3.
48. 48 divided by 2, 24. Again divided by 2,
3. 12.
12. Again divided by 2,
6.
6.
6. 6.
Again divided by 2,
3.
3. Stop.
3.
Stop. Okay, so we got the prime factorization. This one. Okay, so 18, how will you write? 2 into 3 into 3. And 48, how we will write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we'll get this one. Now we have to identify the common factors.
Sir, only 2.
No, 3 is also there. See?
2 and 3.
Yes. 3, 2 and 3. So the HCF is, required HCF is 2 into 3. 6. Any doubt?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
now
sir.
we'll move toward the next question, 30 and 42. So 30. So 30 we will factorize, we will find the prime factorization. 15
15.
15.
again divided by 3, 5.
5.
Stop. Next is 42 divided by 2,
21.
21
21.
divided by 3, 7.
7.
Stop. So prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. And prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to find common factors.
2 and 3.
Yes. 2
One, three.
and 3. So the common factors of these two numbers are 2 and 3. So required HCF is 2 into 3, 6, right? Okay. Now third bit पे आ जाते हैं, C पे. 18 and 60. 18 अभी किए थे हम लोग, 2 into 3 into 3, 60 निकाल लेते हैं. 60. First you divided by 2,
30.
30. Again divided by 2,
15.
15. Again divided by 3, 5, 5. Right. So 60 का आ गया 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So these are the prime factorization of 18 and 60. So 18 how we will write? 2 into 3 into 3. And 60 how we will write? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find the common factors.
2 and 3.
Right. Right, 2 and 3. Others are not common. So common factors are 2 and 3. So the required HCF is 2 into 3, that is 6. Right. Now next is 27, 63. So 27 का prime factorization पहले निकाल लेते हैं. First divide by 3.
9.
9. Again divide by 3.
3.
3. Over. 63. 63 first you divided by 3. 21. Again divided by 3.
7.
7. Stop. So we got this one. So 27 we can write 3 into 3 into 3, and to 63 we can write 3 into 3 into 7. Right. Now we have to find the common factors.
3 and 3.
Right. 3 and 3. So common factors of these two numbers are 3 and 3. So required HCF is 3 into 3. That is 9. Right. So now we'll move towards the next bit, that is E bit. 36 and 84. चलो 36 का पहले find कर लेते हैं. 36 by 2.
18.
18. Right. Again divided by 2.
9.
9. Right. So again divided by 3.
3.
3. Stop.
3.
84. First you divided by 2. So 42. Again divided by 2. You will get 21.
21.
Again divided by 3. You will get 7.
7.
Right. Stop.
7.
So we got this one. So 36 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 84 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to find the common factors.
So
3.
2.
Yes, 2, 2 and 3. So common factors are 2, 2 and 3. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. That is
12.
12. Very good. 12.
6.
Okay.
12.
6 नहीं है, 12 है. Next F bit 34, 102. So ध्यान से देखो 34 हम लोग निकाल रहे हैं पहले. 34 you divided by 2. So we'll get 17. 17 is a prime number. Stop. Next is 102. 102 we have to divide it by 2 first.
12.
51.
8.
12 nahi, 51.
51.
1.
Now divide by 3. You will get 17. Stop. Right. So we got 2 into 17 for 34. 2 into 3 into 17 for 102. Now find out the common factors.
2.
2 and 17.
Yes, 2 and 17. So the required HCF is 2 into 17, that is 34. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, G bit. 70, 105 and 175. ध्यान से देखो 70 का निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग. 70 first you divided by 2, 35 divided by 5.
45.
5 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
7.
7. Okay, fine. 105. 105 first we divided by 3. So we'll get 35. Again divided by 5.
7.
So we'll get 7. Now only one number is left, 175. 175 भी निकाल लेते हैं जल्दी से. Right. First you divided by 5. So we'll get 35. 3, 5. So again divided by 5.
7.
7. Right. So we'll get this one. So 70 we can write 2 into 5 into 7. 105 we can write 5 into 3 into 7. 175 we can write 5 into 5 into 7. Right. Now we have to find the common factors.
5 and 7.
Yes, very good. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So common factors are 5 and 7. So HCF is 5 into 7. 35. Right. Okay, fine. Next question, H bit. So H bit में हम लोग को 91, 112 और 49 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं 91. फर्स्ट 91. We have to divide it by 7. 13. 13 is a prime number. Stop. Now 112. 112 divided by 2 first. 56. Again divided by 2. Divided by 2, you will get 28. Again divided by 2, you will get 14. Again divided by 2, you will get 7. Stop. 7 is a prime number. Stop. Next is 49. So 49 is divisible by 7 only. So 7 sevens are. Okay, so we got this one. So 91 we can write 7 into 13. And 112 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. And 49 we can write 7 into 7. Right? Now we have to find the common factors.
7 into 7.
Only one common factor, that is 7.
7.
So HCF is also 7. Right?
49.
7 only. 49 कहाँ से आ गया? एक ही 7 है. Only 1 7. अगर 2 7 common रहता है तो 7 into 7 49. But here only 1 7 is common. So 7 only the HCF. Okay. So next question. 18, 54, 81. So let us start with 18. 18 first you divide it by 2. 9. Divided by 3. 3. Okay, fine. 54. First you divided by 2. 27. Now divided by 3. 9. Now divided by again 3. 3. Okay, stop. 81. Divided by 3 first. 27. So again divided by 3. 9. Again divided by 3. 3. Stop. So we got this one. So 18 we can write 2 into 3 into 3. 54 we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 81 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we'll get this one. Now we have to find the common factors.
3.
Wait, only 2 3s are there. 3 बार कोई बोला है 3. देखो तीनों में कॉमन देखना है, 2 में नहीं देखना है. ओके, सो तीनों में कॉमन केवल ये 2 3 है. और कुछ है कॉमन? देखो, इज देयर एनी कॉमन? यस, स्टॉप. So common factors are 3 and 3 only. So HCF is 3 into 3. 9. Right. Now only one question is left. Last question. So 12, 45 and 75. So we'll start with 12 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2.
3.
3. So stop. 45. 45 first we will divide it by 3.
15.
15. Very good. 15. Again divided by 3.
5.
Right. 75. 75 we will divide it by first 3.
25.
Very good. 25. Again 25 we will divide it by 5. 5. Stop. So we got this one. So 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3. किसी का mic on है देखो. And 45 we can write 3 into 3 into 5. 75 we can write 3 into 5 into 5. So these are the prime factors. Now what is common between all these three, not 2?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
दिखा भी कुछ?
3, sir.
Only one, 3. So common factor of 12, 45 and 75 is only 3. So HCF is also 3. So this is the first question. Okay, 10 bits are there. Now we are moving towards one more very important topic, properties of HCF. So let us start. The first property, HCF of 2 or more numbers is not greater than any of the given numbers. For example, HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. See carefully, 4 is less than 12 and 4 is less than 8 also. So HCF जो है वो नंबर से जो दो नंबर्स है उससे बड़ा नहीं होता, right? So 4 less than 8, 4 less than 12, right? The next very important property is that the HCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. You can take any example. Suppose 15 and 16. 15 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है 3 into 5 और 16 का है 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Is there any common factor?
Sir, 2 and 2.
Common factor ये दोनों में?
Nothing.
Nothing. So if there is no common prime factors, then we will write 1. Okay. So
1.
HCF of 15 and 16 is 1. Similarly, any two consecutive number, कोई भी consecutive number ले लो, 45, 46, 100, 101, you will get HCF always 1. So this is very important property. Now the third property, HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. That we have already seen. Suppose 7 and 20. 7 and 20, the HCF is 1. You can take an example of 4 or 9 also. 4 or 9 are also composite number, but they don't have any common prime factors. So the HCF of 4 and 9 is 1. Now the HCF of two even consecutive number is 2. You can take any example, even consecutive. Suppose I am taking 16 and 18. 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 18 we can write 2 into 3 into 3. Now what is the common between these two?
2.
Only 2. So that is what, if you take any other example 12 and 14, then also you will get 2. Why? The prime factor of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. This is, and the prime factors of 14 is 2 into 7. So only one common 2 is there. So that is why the HCF of 12 and 14 is 2. Similarly, the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is always 1. कोई भी odd number ले लो, consecutive. So 25 के बाद दूसरा odd number कौन सा आता है?
27.
27. So 25, 27 का HCF 1 होगा, right? So जैसे 25, how will you write? See, I'm writing the prime factorization. 25 you can write 5 into 5, and 27 we can write 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So what is the common between these two? Nothing. So nothing means 1. Okay. or even we can find out in this way also. The factors of 25 is 1, 5, 25. Factors of 27 is 1, 3, 9, 27. So only one common factor is there, that is 1, and that is the required HCF. Okay. So based on this property, now we are going to solve one NCERT question. See, same exercise, question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Aditya, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Yes?
0 and 1.
1. HCF is 1. HCF कभी भी 0 नहीं होता है. कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है तो 1 लिखेंगे. Okay. Now what is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers?
Sir, 2.
2. Right. Very good. What is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers?
1.
1. Very good. So this is question number 2. Now we are moving towards question number 3. थोड़ा बड़ा है, ध्यान से देखो. HCF of co-prime numbers, that is 4 and 15, was found as follows by factorization. 4 we can write 2 into 2. 15 we can write 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factors, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct?
No, sir. It should be 1.
Yes. No, the answer is not correct, because 1 is the highest common factor of 4 and 15, right? So HCF of 4 and 15 is not 0, that is 1.
1.
Right. So this is exercise 6.6, last question. Now we are moving towards the next method, long division method. Long division method is not in your syllabus, that is an extra topic, right? But it is very useful for your class 10th when you will be in the class 10th. इसको continued division method भी बोलते हैं, right? So very easy. अगर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया तो बहुत easy लगेगा. So to find the HCF of two given numbers, we follows this step. First, we have to find the larger number and smaller number. Okay. Then we divide the larger number by smaller number. That is the step number 1. Divide the larger number by smaller number. I will give one example also. Don't worry. If the remainder is 0, then smaller number is the HCF. Right? Just for example, suppose 12 and 36 HCF we are finding. So which is the larger number here?
36.
36. So divide larger number by smaller number. So 12 3s are 36.
36.
So we are getting remainder 0. So if we are getting remainder 0, the smaller number is the required HCF, that is 12. Right? Now suppose if remainder is not equals to 0. So what you have to do? Again step number 2. So जो smaller number है, smaller number को remainder से divide करेंगे. Right? Divide the smaller number by remainder to get new remainder. Again we will check new remainder whether 0 or not. अगर न्यू रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं है तो अगेन न्यू जो ओल्ड रिमाइंडर है उसको न्यू रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड करेंगे और वो प्रोसेस चलता जाएगा जब तक कि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं होगा. एंड द लास्ट डिवाइजर इज द रिक्वायर्ड HCF. सो आई विल गिव वन एग्जांपल. सो लेट अस फाइंड द HCF of 360 and 456. So which is the larger number?
456.
Right. So first step we have to divide larger number by smaller number. ठीक है? Right. So 360 times 1 360 होता है. तो first step हम लोग को 360 times 1 360 मिला. So what is the remainder we are getting? 6 9 96 remainder. So 0 नहीं है. तो क्या करेंगे? स्मॉलर नंबर को रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड करेंगे. राइट? ऐसे. सो 96 3 times 288. अगेन वी विल फाइंड द रिमाइंडर. 2 7. ओके, 0 हुआ? नहीं हुआ. सो द ओल्ड रिमाइंडर इज डिवाइडेड बाय द न्यू रिमाइंडर. ओके, we have to divide the old remainder by new remainder.
Okay, sir.
right? So 1 times जाएगा. Again we are getting remainder 4 2. फिर से 0 नहीं हुआ, तो इसका ओल्ड रिमाइंडर कौन सा था? ये था
72.
72. अगेन वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय न्यू रिमाइंडर 24. ये कब तक करते जाना? जब तक रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आएगा. देखो 24 टाइम्स 3 72 0 हो गया. अब किससे डिवाइड करने से 0 हुआ? लास्ट डिवाइजर
24.
24. Yes. So 24 is the required HCF, right? This method can be used for finding the HCF of more than 2 numbers. So 3 numbers. Suppose we have to find HCF of these 3 numbers. Okay, 360, 456, and one more number is there, 210. So in this type of question, what we will do? We will find the HCF of 2 numbers. Already we got 24. Now we will find the HCF between these 2 numbers, and that is the final answer. Whether you got my point?
Yes, sir.
If 3 numbers are there, we will find the HCF of 2 numbers by division method, and whatever we are getting, that we are getting 24. So 24 and 210, HCF of these 2 numbers we have to find. Okay, so we are doing right now. So again we are going to find the HCF of 360 and 456. राइट तो ध्यान से देखो हम लोग क्या किए थे. फर्स्ट 360 1 टाइम्स 360 आया, एंड द रिमाइंडर वी गॉट 96. अगेन इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, सो वी डिवाइडेड द स्मॉलर नंबर बाय दिस रिमाइंडर. ओके, 96 3 टाइम्स 288 आया था. अगेन वी कैलकुलेटेड द रिमाइंडर, वी गॉट 72. अगेन इट इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, सो द previous remainder, the old remainder, is divided by the new remainder. So 72 times 1 72, the remainder we got 24, which is again not equals to 0, right? तब हम लोग क्या किए? फिर से previous remainder को नए remainder से divide किए. So in this step we got remainder 0, and the last divisor is 24. So HCF of 360 and 456 is 24. Okay, now we are going to find the HCF of these 2 numbers. So obviously 210 is the greater number and 24 is the smaller number. So we are dividing 210 by 24. Okay, so 24 times 24 into 8 192 होता है. So find the remainder 18. Again divide it, 18 is not equals to 0, so divide the smaller number by remainder. So again 18 into 1 18, remainder you will get 6. Again not equals to 0, so फिर से जो पिछले remainder था, the previous remainder we have to divide it by the new remainder. So in this step we are getting 0, right? So what is the final divisor?
6.
So 6 is the HCF of all these 3 numbers. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now one more example we are going to see. Okay, एक और example देखते हैं. 2 example और explain करूँगा मैं. So find the HCF of 255 and 357 by using long division method. Right? So which is the greater number? Larger number?
Sir, 357.
Right, so 357 we will divide it by 255. So definitely first is 255 into 1. So 255. So what we are getting? 102, which is not equals to 0. Again smaller number we will divide it by this remainder. So 102 into 2. So we'll get 204. Again subtract, find the remainder. So we got 51. 51 0 नहीं है. So now we will divide previous remainder by new remainder. Right? 51 into 2.
102.
102. So in this step we are getting remainder 0. Right? So what is the required HCF?
Sir,
51.
51, right? So HCF is 51 since 51 is the last divisor, so it is the required HCF of 25 and 357. चलो और थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर लेके देखते हैं. Find the HCF of 1044 and 1512. Now first step you have to identify the larger number. Larger number is 1512. So we have to divide 1512 by 1044. Definitely 1044 into 2 जो है वो 1512 से ज़्यादा होगा. So first quotient is 1 only. Now subtract. So what you will get? 8, 6, 4, 468. It is not equals to 0. Then divide the smaller number by this remainder. 1044. So 468 into 2, 936. Subtract again. If you subtract, you will get 8. This will become 0, 1, 108. Again, 108 is not equals to 0. So divide old remainder by new remainder. Right, 468. So 108 into 4 होता है 432. So subtract, you will get 36. 36 is not equals to 0. Again divide the previous remainder by new remainder. 108 को 36 से divide करना है. So 36 into 3, 108. Now in this step, we are getting remainder 0. Stop. Now what is the HCF?
36.
Right, 36. So 36 is the HCF since it is the last divisor. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session. In the next session, we will start LCM. Okay. So now we are moving towards assignment questions. First question, prime factorization का use करना है. Second question, division method से HCF निकालना है. और third question, 3 numbers का HCF निकालना है by using division method. Right. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.